Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is 500 plus professional PSD Flyer templates. Total size of these folder 13.3 GB, but don't worry, I will compress, and total file is 100 and 195. Here is 70 PSD in different design, but these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, buy now for lifetime all password in this app. And here is my Facebook page, join me. Last is Telegram channel. Subscribe this channel for latest notification of my any video. Okay, so here is PSD2. Total folder is 123 with different design and many. Here is real estate. You need image. House for sale we offer at. Okay, you can change everything in Photoshop. Here is corporate flares. We are just getting standard. Barbershop auto repair flare A4 or lighter. Letter size. Put your car. Audio beat. Here is two different format in AI and PSD. Fitness flare. On admission 35% offer. Here is main background. Extract for image. No, we need a image. We need a gym image, and like this one, drag here. Enter. Right click, create clipping mask. So our image is here in this poster or this flare, sorry. Now pharmacy flare. You need, or you put a doctor photos or financial fashion event flare. You can change everything. Here is travel, trip, again travel, school party, school flare, CO agency. Here is a different format, AI, APS and document file. Flare taxi, A4R, PSD1 here. Open this one, extract. Here is a text, QR code, shape and image, and last is a background. Okay, and here is image 1, image 2, image 3. You can enter 4 image. Example, paste your image. Any image, for example this one, drag here. Enter, Control S, and you see our images here in this area. Same thing, place your image on this one. enter last image, drag on shape and right click, create clipping mask, Ctrl S for saving. Our flare is ready. You can change this photo. We need a high definition like this one. 2000. Create clipping mask, enter, Ctrl S, and our flare is ready. You can edit everything. Haircut, French brand, okay. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care. Allah Hafiz.